Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make canned chili. First, gather all your ingredients and essential canning equipment. You'll need a pressure canner, jars, lids, and bands. Ensure your workspace is clean and organized before you begin. This preparation step is vital for a smooth and safe canning process. We'll cover everything from cooking to sealing, ensuring your homemade chili is delicious and shelf-stable for months to come. Now let's prepare our ingredients. Start by browning your ground meat, draining any excess fat. Then sauté your onions and garlic until they are tender and fragrant. Have your beans, diced tomatoes, and chili spices measured and ready to go. Remember to sterilize your canning jars and keep them warm, along with your lids and bands, for efficient filling. Once your ingredients are prepped, combine everything in a large stock pot. Bring the chili to a gentle simmer, allowing the flavors to meld for at least 10 minutes. Carefully ladle the hot chili into your prepared hot jars, ensuring you leave 1 inch of headspace at the top. Wipe the jar rims meticulously clean, then center a new, warm lid on each jar and tighten the bands finger tight. The final, crucial step is pressure canning. Place your filled jars into a preheated pressure canner. Process pint jars for 75 minutes and quart jars for 90 minutes at the recommended pressure for your altitude. After processing, let the canner cool naturally. Once cool, remove the jars, check that all seals are firm, and store your delicious homemade canned chili in a cool, dark pantry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.